Hi, my name is Arkin and I'm 5 years old.
Hi Arky, ipakita mo sa amin kung paano ka nagbibilang ng apat na one-digit
9
number.
is equal to 10. 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. 13 plus 0 is equal to 13. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. 13 plus 2 is equal to 15. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. 13 plus 4 is equal to 17. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. 13 plus 5 is equal to 18. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 11 plus 4 is equal to 15. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 11 plus 1 is equal to 12. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 11 plus 2 is equal to 13. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 11 plus 3 is equal to 14. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 11 plus 6 is equal to 17. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 11 plus 7 is equal to 18. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 11 plus 8 is equal to 19. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 11 plus 9 is equal to 20. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. 14 plus 2 is equal to 16. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. 14 plus 1 is equal to 15. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. 15 plus 3 is equal to 18. 18 plus 2 is equal to 10. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 10 plus 5 is equal to 14. 15. 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. 15 plus 1 is equal to 16.
Thank you, Arky. Yan ang batang IVFC. Matinik sa mathematics. Yung mga batang gustong matuto sa math, inaanyayahan ko po kayo upang sumali sa online class tuwing Monday hanggang Saturday. Yung mga batang grade 1, alauna hanggang alas 2 ng hapon. See you there! Ito ay isang libreng serbisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children.
I'm Garden, di mabalata, 6 years old from Tagalog, grade 10. Complements of 10. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 8 plus 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 10 plus 0 is equal to 10. 0 plus 10 is equal to 10. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. 13 plus 4 is equal to 17. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. 14 plus 15 is equal to 14 plus 5 is equal to 19. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. 16 plus 3 is equal to 19. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. Plus 1 is equal to 19. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. 17 plus 2 is equal to 19. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. 19 plus 1 is equal to 20. 10 plus 0 is equal to 10. 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. 13 plus 6 is equal to 19.
Yan ang Batang IVFC. Matinik sa mathematics. Yung mga batang gustong matuto sa math, inaanyayahan ko po kayo upang sumali sa online class tuwing Monday hanggang Saturday. Yung mga batang grade 1, alauna hanggang alas 2 ng hapon. See you there! Ito ay isang libreng serbisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children.
Josel. I live in Barangay Manga, Kapastarlak, grade 1, 7 years old. Add the following numbers. 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. Plus 3 is equal to 19. 19 plus 4 is equal to 23. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. Plus 3 is equal to 16. 16 plus 5 is equal to 21. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Plus 1 is equal to 14. 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. Plus 3 is equal to 17. 17 plus 1 is equal to 18. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Plus 7 is equal to 19. 19 plus 2 is equal to 21. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Plus 4 is equal to 16. 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11 plus 5 is equal to 16. 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. Plus 5 is equal to 18. 18 plus 3 is equal to 21. 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. Plus 2 is equal to 13. 13 plus 5 is equal to 18.
Yan ang batang IVFC. Matinik sa mathematics. Yung mga batang gustong matuto sa math, inaanyayahan ko po kayo upang sumali sa online class tuwing Monday hanggang Saturday. Yung mga batang grade 1, alauna hanggang alas 2 ng hapon. See you there! Ito ay isang libreng serbisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children.
My name is Josel, grade 1, 7 years old. I live in Barangay Mangaka, Pastarlak. Greater than, less than, or equal. Level 1. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 11 is greater than 10. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 9 is less than 10. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 10 is equal to 10. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 10 is less than 11. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 10 is less than 11. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. 13 is less than 14. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. 12 is equal to 12. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. 13 is less than 14. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. 12 is equal to 12. 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. 17 is less than 18. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. 15 is less than 18. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. 9 is less than 12. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. 11 is equal to 11. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. 13 is equal to 13. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. 16 is equal to 60. 0 plus 8 is equal to 8. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 8 is equal to 8. 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. 17 is greater than 16.
Yan ang batang IVFC. Matinik sa mathematics. Yung mga batang gustong matuto sa math, inaanyayahan ko po kayo upang sumali sa online class tuwing Monday hanggang Saturday. Yung mga batang grade 1, alauna hanggang alas 2 ng hapon. See you there! Ito ay isang libreng serbisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Good day, kids! Ang pag-uusapan natin ay kung paano sinolve o sinagutan ni Kurtgen ang adding of more than 2 numbers na walang hirap. Tunghayan natin si Kurtgen ng Leyte. Let's take an example. 9 plus 8 plus 9. We can start working from left to right, or vice versa. In this case, we will work from left to right. Now, let's work on the first number 9. Number 9 needs 1 to make it 10. We will borrow 1 from the neighbor 8. Now, it's 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. The remainder of the neighbor 8 is 7. Therefore, the sum at this point is 17. Let's proceed with the next number. 17 needs 3 to make it 20. Where do we get 3? Of course, from the neighbor. If we borrow 3, then the remaining is 6. Therefore, the answer is 26. Madaling sundan, di ba? Ang kailangan mo lang ay punuin mo ng punuin o buuin mo ng buuin ang 10 hanggang maubos ang lahat ng mga addends. Okay? Tunghayan natin si Kurt.
I am Kurt Candy Mabalatan, 6 years old from Matalam Lake, adding more numbers. Level 3. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. 11 plus 9 is equal to 20. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. 13 plus 9 is equal to 22. 7 plus 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. 17 plus 9 is equal to 26. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. 18 plus 9 is equal to 27. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. 17 plus 9 is equal to 26. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. 17 plus 7 is equal to 24. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. 17 plus 8 is equal to 25. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. 16 plus 8 is equal to 24. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. 15 plus 8 is equal to 23. 7 plus 6 is equal to 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. 11 plus 8 is equal to 19. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. 14 plus 8 is equal to 22. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. 14 plus 7 is equal to 21. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. 15 plus 7 is equal to 22. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. 15 plus 6 is equal to 21. 7 plus 8 is equal to 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. 15 plus 9 is equal to 24. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 12 plus 9 is equal to 21. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. 11 plus 9 is equal to 20.
Congratulations, Kurt Ken. Madali lang, di ba? Pagpatuloy lang ang practice. Object is brought to you by IVFC for Filipino Children. Just remember, this is my personal advocacy and it is free. Anyone may join.
My name is Josel. I live in Barangay Mangaka, Pastarlak, grade 1, 7 years old. Add the following numbers. 7 plus 9 is equal to 16, plus 3 is equal to 19. 19 plus 4 is equal to 23. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13, plus 3 is equal to 16. 16 plus 5 is equal to 21. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13, plus 1 is equal to 14. 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14, plus 3 is equal to 17. 17 plus 1 is equal to 18. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12, plus 7 is equal to 19. 19 plus 2 is equal to 21. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12, plus 4 is equal to 16. 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11, plus 5 is equal to 16. 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13, plus 5 is equal to 18. 18 plus 3 is equal to 21. 2 plus 9 is equal to 11, plus 2 is equal to 13. 13 plus 5 is equal to 18.
Yan ang Batang IVFC. Matinik sa mathematics. Yung mga batang gustong matuto sa math, inaanyayahan ko po kayo upang sumali sa online class tuwing Monday hanggang Saturday. Yung mga batang grade 1, alauna hanggang alas 2 ng hapon. See you there! Ito ay isang libreng serbisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children.